Hello, my name is Mita. Today I would like to present my game flag collecting for the Python Ninja Boot PixelPad. The theme is Kemerdekaan Indonesia. Why did I make this project? August is my month. It is when I was born and also when we celebrate Independence Day. So I like to code on PixelPad and play games. It has been a challenge for me to make this game. I made this game using the Space Shooter format. I chose Space Shooter because I imagined someday we could celebrate Independence Day in outer space. I'm so excited about the dream of celebrating space. Nowadays, many people have explored space. How to play? We just need to press the arrow keys to move the spaceship and press space to shoot bullets. Condition. This is the condition to if you wanna win, you need to get 50 points without touching any aliens, which can be done by shooting aliens and collecting flags. If you get less than 50 points and touch an alien, you will lose. If you win, the game will transport you to a different room and play a song. If you lose, the game will transport you to another room and show you your scores. This is the demo for the game. After you finish reading the story, you can press space and play the game. When you shoot an alien, you get 3 bonus points. When you collect the flag, you will get 1 point. And when you win, you get you when you win, it will play a song. You can press space to play again. This is the future development. There I will add more difficult levels, more enemies like asteroids and and stars to collect, multiplayer game mode, and power up. Thank you for listening.